Hi guys, my name is John Yaves and today we're going to be unboxing a new mid-range phone from Huawei. This is the Y9 2019. It's a pretty new phone. It was announced just a couple of days ago during the Lazada 11/11 sale, and this particular phone has a lot of things going for it. But before that, let's unbox it first. The Y9 2019 comes in a white box with the model number splashed right on the front. Once you open it, you'll see the phone and the standard accessories that come with most phones nowadays, namely a USB charger, a pair of headphones, and a USB cable, as well as a silicone case to protect the rear. The first thing that you'll notice with this phone once you actually pick it up is how beautiful the back is. The Y9 2019 sports all of the same design trends that the Chinese company embraced this year with their flagship and premium line. It has the same gorgeous looking rear as more expensive phones like the Nova 3i. The frame of the phone is made out of metal to help in rigidity, but unfortunately that very nice colorful back is made from plastic, as it was relayed to us by Huawei. As mid-range phones go, the Y9 2019 looks absolutely gorgeous and does not feel cheap at all. It feels very premium, feels very nice in the hands. The rear holds the dual cameras, which are placed on the upper left side of the phone. It's composed of a 13 megapixel f1.8 shooter and a secondary 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture depth sensor. The fingerprint scanner is in the usual place, which we like. We personally don't like front-facing fingerprint scanners. It's a little harder to use. The volume rocker and the power button is on the right side. The left side holds the hybrid SIM tray. Basically, you can have two SIM cards and a micro SD card slot inside the phone, so you don't have to choose between extra storage or a secondary SIM. You can have both. At the bottom is the 3.5mm jack, a single speaker grill, and a micro USB port. That's a little bit of a disappointment. We're expecting USB Type-C, but you know. Up front is the 6.5-inch 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio full HD plus display with a notch. If you look closely at the notch, there's two cameras there. One is a 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture sensor, and the secondary camera is a 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture depth sensor. The phone is powered by Huawei's mid-range Kirin 710 chipset, which is found on the Nova 3i and also on the Honor 8X. We've been using phones with the Kirin 710 chipset for a while. It's a good trade-off between power and price. As for RAM and storage, the phone coming to the Philippines is a 4GB, 64GB version. So one thing that we really like about the Huawei Y9 2019 is the 4000 mAh battery. That's a very big battery for a phone like this. The Kirin 710 processor we found is very battery efficient, so you'll definitely get like a day's worth of use from this particular phone. The only thing that we don't like about the battery on this phone is that it doesn't have fast charging. So once you do have to charge it, you'll have to wait quite a bit, probably around 2 hours, 2 hours and a half, until the phone is completely charged. So the Huawei Y9 2019 is available to pre-order in Lazada. It's priced at $12,990, which is pretty affordable considering what's inside of it. Pre-orders are currently ongoing from now until the 15th of November. So if you're one of the pre-order customers, you get a speaker that's priced at around 1,500 pesos, and it hits physical stores on November 16th.